here's what we know on our 91 Z28 or Z28 for the Americans. It'll be a hard start or a no start, or it'll start and run for a couple seconds then die. By looking at the system with a fuel gauge, it turns on, it primes, goes to 42-ish, 43 psi, key on, and as soon as you fire, it runs off of that rail pressure, then dies. So it's almost as though the fuel pump relay is not staying on. So what we're going to do is we're going to dig through this, and we're going to try and find the fuel pump relay, and we're going to see if we can jump that to keep the fuel pump on constantly, and if that will keep the car running.